Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, we're going to learn how we can get more coins and energy on the Temu shopping app. To do this, open your Temu app. Once you get to the home screen, press on the U tab. Then, inside your profile, press on the Earn Free Gifts and Cash option. Here, you can see various games that you can play to earn free gifts and cash. Since we want to earn more coins, we can press on the redeem cash option here. If you see an option that says redeem coin, that will also do your job. Since I have redeem cash here, I'm going to press on the continue button. Once I get to this screen, I can see that I can earn coins by spinning the wheel, but to spin the wheel, I will have to refer the app to new users. For example, if I press here, it says refer friends to get tickets. So to do a spin, I need to refer it to my friends. I can simply copy the link and refer it to them. And the coins that I collect from spinning this will reward me with actual cash balance. For example, you can see that earning 150 coins will give me a balance of $1 in the app, and the $1 I can use for shopping in the Temu app. So this is how you can get more coins on the Temu app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop us a like. Also make sure you're subscribed to our channel. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.